Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about the module of instructions, common competency for a group 4 member Gutera Janmark, Carlando Gemma, and Redondo Ferry. For the common competencies, unit of competency, apply quality standards. Kinuha ko to dito sa unit title. And then modules title, apply quality standards. Kinuha ko naman po dito is the same sa unit title, sa TR. And dinagdagan ko po ng ing upang maging applying. And then dito naman po sa module descriptor, kinuha ko po to dito sa TR, sa part po ng unit descriptor. And then this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed to apply quality standards in the workplace. The unit also includes the application of relevant safety procedures and regulations, organizations, procedures, and customer requirement. The summary of learning outcomes sa LO1, LO2, and LO3, kinuha ko po lahat na yan dito po sa element sa TR. And then dito naman po sa details of learning outcome sa LO1, assess quality of received materials or components, kinuha ko po yan dito sa element. Kinapi ko po yung number 1 dito po sa LO1, pinaste ko. And then dito naman po sa assessment criteria, up to 1.1 to up to end of 1.5, kinuha ko yan dito sa performance criteria sa TR. Next is the contents. Sa contents naman po ay kinuha ko po yan dito sa evidence guide, part po ng underpinning knowledge. And then yung conditions naman po ay kinuha ko naman po dito sa range of variables. Next is methodology. Yung methodology ay kinuha ko po dito sa methodology sa TR. And then yung assessment methods, kinuha ko po sa part po ng assessment approach. Dito rin po sa training regulations. Next. And dito naman po sa LO2, assess own work. Same process din lang naman po dito sa LO1. Okay? So, yung assess own work, kinuha ko yan dito sa element, sa number 2. Yan. Kinapi ko yan, pinaste ko sa LO2. And then, dito naman po sa assessment criteria, up to 2.1 to 2.5, ay kinuha ko po dito sa performance criteria sa TR. Training regulations, same din naman po dito sa dito naman po yan, same lang naman po dito sa process po doon sa kanina, doon po sa LO1. Yan. So the next is LO3. Dito naman po sa LO3, sa engage in quality improvement, same process din lang naman po yan. Sa element din po yun ang galing. Kinuha ko. And then yung assessment criteria, kinuha ko yan dito po sa performance criteria. Up to 3.1, end of 3.3. Yan. So next. The next one is yung contents. Yung contents naman po ay kinuha ko po dito sa evidence guide, dito sa part po ng underpinning knowledge, because dito pong underpinning knowledge, siya po yung pinapo-point po or na relate dito sa contents ng LO3. And then dito naman po sa conditions, kinuha ko po dito sa range of variables. Yan. So this unit 2 is same process din lang naman po dito sa unit 1 na discuss. So ang gagawin ko is i-slide ko na lang po yung lahat ng mga natitirang unit, because all the same naman po yung process nila lahat. So dito po sa unit 2, mayroong comply with environmental protection procedures, and mayroong LO1 and LO2 and LO3 summary of learning outcomes. So slideshow na lang po natin para mas madali yan. So yan, and this, and yeah. So dito naman po sa unit 3, sa common competencies, mayroong observe procedures, specification, and manuals of instructions. So yung summary of learning outcomes nila is mayroong LO1, LO2, LO3, and LO4. Slideshow na lang po natin yan. So yan. Yun. That's it. And then dito po sa pinakalas na unit, dito po sa unit number 4 sa common competencies, is operate and maintain hand Line tools and equipment. Mayroon pong summary of learning outcomes. Mayroon pong LO1, LO2, LO3, LO4, LO5, and LO6. Scroll, slideshow ko na po, rather. So, yan. LO1, LO2. Same process din po yan lahat. Ng LO3, LO4, yan. So, LO5, and LO6. Yan. So, thank you. This is the end of presentation of common.
So, module of instruction core competencies, group 4, and here are the member of group 4, Tarajan Mark, Garland Tujema, and Redan Ferry. Module instruction. So, this is the module instruction of core competencies, and the unit competency is erect distribution line poles. And ito po ay kinuha natin doon po sa unit of competency. And sa modules titles is yung erecting is dinagdagan po ng ing, and it is erecting distribution line pole. And yung module descriptor naman po is kinuha po natin dito sa descriptor. And the module descriptor is this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude required to erect distribution line poles. This unit includes competencies for installing new distribution line pole as well as transporting pole from stockyard to job site, performing pole spotting, digging, grounding in pole, setting erection. This involves working with a team. And yung learning outcome naman po is kinuha po natin dito sa element. As you can see is may arrow naman po yung kada learning outcome po, and kinuha po natin ito sa elements. And as you can see po is yung learning outcome number 1 is plan and prepare for work, and it is in element. And sa assessment criteria naman po is work instruction are secured and interpreted according to the job requirements. Is the rest is kinuha naman po natin dito sa performance criteria. And yung contents naman po is it is in underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills. Yung contents po is kinuha po namin dito sa underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills. And yung condition naman po is it is in range of variables. So kinuha po namin dito sa range of variables. And then yung methodologies naman po is kinuha po namin sa methodology, and assessment method is in assessment approach po namin kinuha. And ito po yung learning outcome number 2 and learning outcome number 3. And the rest of core competencies are the same process. Like the core competency 1. And that's all po. Thank you for listening. Thank you po. That's all.